also found out from, there was some building work next door, and when they were up on the scaffolding, they noticed there was a little crack around our chimney pot. So we had that fixed, and actually that seemed to help with the damp, but then this has come back.
Yeah, agreed.
And this looks different.
But what you have here is condensation. This is condensation dribble marks.
Condensation.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's on the windows.
Probably behind that chair, really. That's the...
So what you get here is condensation forms on the window, and it dribbles down, and then it comes down here, and it causes this slight discoloration because it's picking up colour from the timber.
That's what we've got on the carpet upstairs.
It's important to understand that it's the temperature of the wall that causes the problem. If we look at the data loggers, the dew point is 12.83 here, and yet the temperature, you can see the temperature of the wall is 10.9, so it's below the dew point, and therefore condensation will take place. It's important to understand that a normal wall is made from 2 skins of brick, and that to make a chimney breast, you effectively open up the 2 skins of brick and put a flue up the middle. And so at the top of the chimney and at the bottom, so at the top you're near to the outside, the flue at the outside of the chimney breast, and at the bottom you're near to the subfloor void, the cold subfloor void. Both are at risk of heat loss, and you can see the slight purple colour and blue at the top. That the purple colour is where the flue is, and the blue at the top is heat loss from the chimney pot, and it's nothing to do with it being open to the elements. It's better to use a cowl above a chimney breast, but either way you must appreciate that there's heat loss, and you should reduce the vapour by improving ventilation and dehumidification, and consider insulating around the chimney breast. And this extractor fan should be on, but nothing is flowing out of that. So this is the main bathroom, and this is going to be the source of most of the vapour causing the condensation. So this is typical of many fan problems. The extraction rate is very low, and I would guess it's because behind here the backflow shutters probably blocking the airflow. The fan also only lasts for about a minute from when the lights are switched on. It should be half an hour, so we'll probably be able to change that. If we take this off, here you go. I won't do it. Oh, there we go. It's normally quite simple. That needs to go increase that by turning it. A bit fiddly with this. There we go. That will turn it to half an hour. But I'll remove it and see what's actually obstructing the airflow. But you're getting virtually no air through this. If I open the fan up, you've got these backflow shutters, and the ducting, and they get trapped on the ducting and close. So the easiest thing to do, I mean, in truth, you don't particularly need them. So the easiest thing to do is just remove these, and then it will work. You can just have them open like that, but because of this type of ducting, which is it's metal, and it's quite difficult to get it not to. Well, I'll see if I can do it with the backflow. So the purpose of the backflow shutters is if there's wind blowing in this way, it will blow the vapour from the bathroom, particularly if you've got the door open. But I mean, these don't look particularly effective anyway.
No, rubbish.
I just like to test it when it's out to see what the potential speed is, and it's showing around 16 meters a second. So I've removed the backflow shutters. I'm also going to take some of this off because there's too much and it's probably bunching up and getting in the way. So it's cleaned up, taken the backflow shutter out and the excess pipe or ducting. And let's see what's happened with the airflow. There we go, 15, 16 litres a second, perfect, problem solved. So there is a slight staining at the top of the wall in the bedroom with a high damp meter reading compared to the normal wall. I checked the outside. I had thought that the gutter was blocked because it looked like it was from the other side. If you look at the neighbour side, there's a slight greenery suggesting a little bit of dampness, but I think the main problem is this section of detailing causing heat loss, increasing the risk of condensation.